The ACLU argues that Pennsylvanians who can't afford their own attorney in criminal court are not getting the defense that they're entitled to under the U.S. and state constitutions.
The right to counsel is not just the right to a warm body with a law degree standing next to you. It requires a professional who has the time and resources to prepare an adequate constitutional defense.
Pennsylvania law has long put paying for public defense on the 67 counties. The suit says the result is underfunding compared to most states and that it hurts thousands. Matt Dugan, former Allegheny County Chief Public Defender, welcomes the ACLU suit to force the state to act.
We want to make sure that courts, verdicts, outcomes in court have integrity, that people can trust it. And the only way that that can happen is if both sides are adequately funded, right?
Rob Perkins is a private lawyer who takes on many cases assigned by the court, representing people who can't afford an attorney.
The deck is stacked heavily against the accused, and if it's one attorney who's under-resourced and understaffed, they can't put up a fair fight, and they end up being convicted of a crime they didn't commit.
The low funding for defense has another fallout.
We had such low salaries in Allegheny County that we saw constant overturn. We had attorneys leaving, we had attorney vacancies. We were sometimes running, 8, 10, 12 attorneys short of full staff.
Pennsylvania is tied with Mississippi with being the worst at funding public defender services amongst any state in the country, and Mississippi's not a state you want to be tied with when it comes to civil rights and human rights issues. So we need to get the state's attention.
Governor Shapiro's office says last year he provided dedicated state funding for public defenders for the first time in state history, and that he'll continue to fight for fairness in the criminal justice system. DA Steve Zappala says he supports state funding of indigent defense. At the Allegheny County Courthouse downtown, Bob Mayo, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.